Can you hear me? Audible? Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Agar. Good morning. Joshua. Good morning. How are you guys? Abigail, Simeon, the camera. Yeah, the camera. Can you hear me? Am I audible? This is hello. Can you hear me?
Hi, sir.
Good morning, sir.
See you guys.
Yeah, say something again.
Mia.
Yeah, now I can hear. My mobile got connected to my speaker, which is off. Okay, so we were doing yesterday some questions based on the linear equation in one variable, and we learned how to solve this. So, do you guys have any problem, or do you want some more questions? Well, like tough questions.
Easy questions. I need.
It was
too easy, sir.
We got it, sir.
Oh, easy.
You got it,
Sir,
but yes,
sir, you should never give
yes.
homework. If you promise little homework means it's little homework only.
Yesterday. Yesterday I gave little only, no?
You gave too much. Two full exercises you gave.
And it has only 5 questions for your kindly information.
Sir,
Yes,
chapter 4 is actually the hardest chapter of all 26 chapters.
yes, true.
For previous chapter.
So how are you, Edric?
Sir,
How are you?
sir, good, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
So what's the weather? You're in Bangalore, no?
Yes, I'm.
So what's the weather there?
Oh, in Bangalore, it is like it is hot and sunny right now.
Oh,
Like it has not rained for the past 10 years or something.
what's the temperature there right now?
The maximum temperature is 35 degrees, minimum is 23.
Oh, here maximum temperature is 44 degrees and minimum is 32.
Because it's Jodhpur and it's a desert.
Yeah, it's okay. Okay, everyone. Now solve this and everyone quickly send it to me in the chat box. Quickly. Everyone solve it. Jashron, Joshua, Abigail, are you there? Simeon, can you hear me? Am I audible? How are you,
Yes.
Simeon? What's the temperature in Singapore right now?
Not Singapore, sir. Malaysia.
Malaysia, sorry.
Malaysia, it's hot and very sunny and very rainy, but it's not raining right now. It only rains in the evening.
Okay. Okay, then everyone do this question. Bethia, everyone, please do this question.
How will I do it, sir? I was not there yesterday.
Yeah, you have to find the value of x. How will you find it? You have to find the value of x. So, for example, now pay attention on the board. It's like this. So, first of all, we have to solve the bracket. Now, bracket solving means you have to multiply with both the terms. Okay, so it will become 12 3 is 36 minus 12x is equals to 48. Okay, yes or no? Now 36 is positive or negative? It's positive. Plus sign is there. When it will go to the other side of the equals to, it will become minus. It will become minus 12x is equals to 48 minus 36. So
Yeah.
minus 12x. Yeah, send it to me in the chat box. It will become plus 12. So x is equals to
Minus 1.
12 upon minus 12. It will become minus 1. This is the answer.
Okay, sir.
Joshua, did you understand? No.
Understood now. I have respect.
Okay.
Sir, I got the same answer -1, but with slightly different steps.
Yeah, show me your steps. Your steps are very confused, wale. Simeon. I mean, confused means those you will give the answer in one step only to put the answer.
I did 12 into 3 minus x equals 48 becomes 3 minus x equals 48 by 12, which becomes 3 minus x equals 4, which becomes 3 minus 4 equals x, which becomes x equals -1.
Say it again. Say it again. Sorry. Okay, you did like that. Oh yeah, you can do that like that also.
I did a
Correct,
different way,
correct.
sir.
Yeah, it's okay. You can do that also. Like you
I
send 12, you send 12 to the right hand side, making it divide. Then you did it. It's okay.
Sir,
Yes.
I did a different way, sir. Okay. So then I did
Yeah.
36 minus 12x equal to 48. Then I did 36 minus 48 equal to 12x. And minus 12 equal to 12x and x equal to -1.
Yeah, correct, correct. No problem. Okay, now I will give you a little tough question. Shall I raise this, guys?
Yes, sir. Impossible.
Ira, Jasron,
Give me an impossible.
Abigail. Abigail, are you with me? I can't see you.
You can't see me? My camera
Yeah,
is on.
its camera is on, but I can only see a gray tube light, not you.
Okay. Okay, 1 minute. I'll change my place.
Yeah. So, did you understand, Abigail? No, Jasron.
Understood, sir.
Okay, I'll give you a tough question. Now, everyone, you have to find it out. Okay. Solve this. Find the value of x. Quickly, find the value of x. Joshua, are you with me? Jashron, are you able to understand?
Is it x by y or x by 4?
X by 4.
4. It's only one variable, is there?
Yeah, one variable is there, no? That's good. Everyone solve it and send it to me on the chat and exchange chat. I'm also solving it, but don't see on the board, okay?
Got the answer, sir.
Good. Send it to me.
Got the answer. Sir, send it to you.
Good. Let me check.
These are wrong.
Yeah, everyone got the answer? Okay, Trick correct, Jashon correct. Ira, I'm not getting your answer. Joshua, where's your answer? Simeon?
Sure, I'm still solving 1 second.
Okay.
Easy. The one variable is very easy for me.
One variable, no? Very easy. Good. That's the confidence. Abigail, your answer? Is it same? Why Abigail? Why 78?
I'll just go through the steps 1 minute.
Yeah, check the steps. Joshua, are you getting it, beta? No.
I didn't get this.
Yeah, which part you didn't get it? From starting?
Yeah, just started.
Okay, can you check that all the variables have a different denominator? Can you check this?
Yeah.
Now, if they have different denominators, I have to make the denominator same. So for making denominator same, I took an LCM, and in LCM I got 12. Got it? Okay, and when I make the LCM same, so like for example, 12 I got, and here the denominator is 3. So I will multiply it by 4 up and down to get the LCM as 12. So like 3 4s are 12, 4 into x is 4x. In the same way, 2 is there. What will I multiply so that it become 12? Joshua?
6.
6. So I multiplied 6 and up and down to make the denominator same. Understood? And same in the same way, I make the denominator same. And when I add all the x terms, I got 13x. Now 12 is in division form. It will go to the other side because it become multiply. So I multiplied it. Okay, and 13 into x is there. Now 13 will go and divide. It will become divide. So the answer will be 12. Okay. Abigail, where you did mistake?
Sir, I saw the x by 4 as x by y and I solved it like that.
Oh,
Yeah. Yeah,
okay. Okay. You should ask me, okay? If you're not able to understand the gold medal handwriting, you can ask me, okay?
no, sir, I
Okay.
was sure it was y. It was not a doubt.
Oh.
That's why I just went ahead and did it.
Okay.
Sir,
Now don't
gold,
understand this 3 as Z. Yes?
gold medal handwriting is so complicated that we can't understand it, sir. Maybe it should
Yeah,
become
that's
silver
why.
medal handwriting.
I mean, no. I mean, army chiefs comes to me says that sir, your handwriting not nobody able to understand. We have to encrypt it to send it to our uh, army officers. So they use my handwriting for the inscription. Inscription, secret code. So I make them for them like that. Yeah, seriously. No, seriously. Okay, everyone do it.
We just have to use like a app now. There's an app which you can translate any type of writing. We can just get it like that. That won't work
Yeah.
anymore.
Okay, quickly do it.
Got the answer.
Wow, that's too quick. You're writing all the steps, Edric, or not?
Yes, sir. I'm writing steps also.
Okay, good. Can you send me a picture if Mama is nearby you? I want to see your steps. Can you just write the Can you ask Mama for the steps and send it to you on my WhatsApp? Because I want to check that are you writing steps or not. Can you ask Mama?
I am writing steps. All steps I'm writing, sir. I am writing steps.
But I want to see what steps you are writing. This is the answer. Ira, are you getting it or not? Okay, Abigail correct, Edric correct. Okay, correct. Joshua, you got this?
I'm doing it.
Okay, shall I read this? Solve this. Betty, are you getting this? No.
I'm able to get it.
Ira? Good, Joshua. Yes, Ira. Ask me, better.
No, sir, not.
Not enough?
No, some I'm getting, some I'm not getting.
Yeah, which you are not getting? Tell me, na.
I didn't get the last one. The one before that I got, sort of.
Just give me a second. Which part you didn't get?
No, like the final answer, but when you write the answer on the board, then I understood how to do it.
Oh, so then it means that you need a lot of practice. So
And
today I will send you the worksheet for solving this. A little worksheet, okay?
okay, sir.
Okay, don't like you should ask me each doubt. Now do this question.
Got the answer, sir.
Good.
Sir, I got the answer.
Good. Good.
Or how is it so easy?
Sir, I'm sending 1 second.
Yeah, yeah.
I don't get it how easy this is.
Good, Simeon. Ira, where you got stuck, beta? Ask me.
One second, sir, I'll do it.
Okay. Abigail, where you got stuck?
No, sir, I got the same answer, but in a little different way.
How? What you did it in a different way? Can you tell it to me?
Like LCM and all I did, And
Hmm.
then I sent minus y to the other side. So it became 1 plus y. And then I put 8 plus 3 is 11 by 6. And I brought
No,
the
you can't do it. You can't do it. You can't send this minus y first because first division is there. Like divided by 6 is there, no? First, you have to shift this division part. Then only you can send y here and there. Right now, the whole term is divided by 6. So first this divided by 6, which is making, which bound them together, you have to solve this. And how will you solve this? The 6 will go to the right hand side, it become 1 into 6 is 6. Understood? You
Okay.
can't send minus y to that side. If there is no denominator, na, for example, if there is no 6, then you can do this. But right now, the whole thing is divided by 6. That's why you have to solve the 6 first.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
Yeah.
Yes, Simeon. Any problem? Ira, Joshua, any problem, beta?
I was on the last part, but now I understood.
Yeah, you stuck in the last part. So what problem you faced? Can you tell it to me?
The 8 minus y plus 3 by 6.
So 8 minus y plus 3. So what I did, this is
I
plus
didn't get
8, this is
how it
plus.
was 11 minus y.
Sorry?
I didn't get how it was 11 minus y equals 6.
This one, 11 minus y is equals to 6. This thing you didn't understand?
Yeah.
So listen, what I did here, it is plus 8 plus 3 makes 11 plus 11 minus y is already there, and this divided by 6 will go to the right hand side. It become 1 into 6 because division is there. When division go to the right hand side, it become multiply. So 1 into 6 is 6. Okay. Now 11 minus y is there, so this plus 11 is there. When it go to the right hand side, become minus 11 like this. It's
Yeah.
become minus y is equals to minus 5. Minus and minus sign will cut, so y is equals to 5. This is the answer.
But when it goes to the other side, it will be plus 11, right?
Which part? This one?
Plus 11, right?
No. See, Joshua, you and everyone, please listen. This is the sign, like 11 has the sign of plus. That's why it goes to the right hand side, become minus. Okay, don't understand that 11 is in minus form. Here, y is in minus. 11 is its plus. 11, every time the sign is in front of the number, not behind the number. So 11 in front of, there is no sign, it's called as plus. And when it go to the right hand side, it become minus.
Okay.
Okay, now instead of going in word problem, we will do some. Let me check what we can do. We'll not go to the word problem. Now we will do the, okay, we'll do the word problem first. And that is gonna be easy for you. Hmm. We'll do the linear equation first part. Then I will let you understand what's the meaning of word problem. Now put a heading. Linear equation
Two way.
in two variable. So as before I told you, linear equation in two variable is basically what? It has two variable x and y. Understood?
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So these two variables have how many how many solutions? Yesterday we learned Ira
Infinite.
in how many solutions? Infinite solution. So for example, if I will write x plus y is equals to 3. So what can be the possible solution, Betya, in this question? Like if you will take value of x and y so that you can get answer as 3. What are the possible solutions?
2 and 1.
Okay, so if you will take 2 comma 1, I am writing 2 comma 1. Basically 2 comma 1, it is written in the form of x comma y. Okay, so that's why it becomes 2 comma 1. So it means if you will take value of x as 2 and value of y as 1, then you get answer as 3. And any other possible solution?
3 comma 0.
Yes, 3 comma 0. Because if you will take x as 3, y as 0, then you will get answer as 3. Same, good. Anybody else want to give more? Unmute and say quickly.
That was
5
mine.
Somebody says 2 girls said. One by one. Yes, Abigail.
5 and minus 2.
5 and minus 2. Good. She went to the minus part. Okay, good. Yes, Jashra.
7 and
7 and minus 4. Good. Good. Edric, you want to give?
Sir,
Yeah.
19 and minus 16.
19 and 1. So he is going more extent. Good. So basically, there will be infinite solution. Okay. There is no one solution, two solution, but there will be infinite solution. So it means that is this linear equation in two variable is not solvable? No, it is solvable. Basically, for solving the linear equation in two variables, we need two equation. For example, this is the first equation. Okay. We need another equation. Second equation also so that we can solve the linear equation in two variable. For example, 2x plus, we can say x plus y is equals to 4. Yeah, 2x plus y is equals to 4. So here we have two equation so that we can solve it. Understood, guys? Yes or no? Okay. Did you understand? Okay, so why two equation? So that the value of x here and value of x here will be same. Okay, value of y here and value of y here will be same. That's why we need two equation to solve linear equation in two variable. Okay, I'll write this hashtag point. We need two equation to solve linear equation in two variable. Did you understand, guys? Write it down quickly. Graph part, we did it. I'll just give you the homework to solve. Otherwise, I'll not. If you have any problem, I will explain it again, graph part. So, do you have any problem in graph parts? Making graphs?
No, sir.
No? Jashon has doubt. You want one question on graph? Yes? Okay. Abigail, do you have any problem in graph part? Making graph? Ira, please ask me. It's okay. It's okay if you will ask me. Like Jashwan asked me, it's good. Please ask me. Any problem, Ira, in graph part? No? Simeon? Yes, Ira is saying something.
I understood it now after like that.
Okay. Joshua, graph part? Ask me, Joshua. It's okay. We'll
I
do some
understood,
questions.
sir.
Okay. Betia, you understood?
I understood, but I might want one more question to understand
So
it better.
we'll do one question on graph part. So write it down quickly first. Shall I raise this? Everyone, shall I raise this? Okay. Now, first we will understand the standard form of
Linear equation in two variables.
writing linear equation in two variables. Standard form of writing linear equation in two variables. Okay, so the standard form of writing linear equation in two variable is ax plus by is equals to, ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. This is the linear equation of writing two equation. Everyone please pay attention. Don't write anything. Please pay attention, Jashram. So for example, if I will write 3x, like here a, b, c are the constant. Okay. So for example, if I write 3x plus 4y minus 8 is equals to 0. If I will compare this with ax plus by plus c is equals to 0, so you will check that a is equals to 3, b is equals to plus 4, and c is equals to minus 8. A is equals to 3, b is equals to plus 4, and c is equals to minus 8. This is how you will get the value of a, b, and c. So basically, a, b, c are the constant, means they are the coefficient. Like a is the coefficient of x, b is the coefficient of y, and c is the constant number. Understood? Yes or no? Simeon, Ira, everyone write it down. Yehovah, 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 Yehovah.
That's sir. Finish writing everything, sir.
Yeah, good. Now, for one question, I will ask you. Tell me the value of A, B, and C in this question. Write it down in your copy and send it to me in the chat box.
Got the answer, sir.
Write it down in the chat box. Good. Anybody else want to give me the answer? Joshua, wrong. One mistake you did. B is the coefficient of y. B is the coefficient of y.
But sir, there's no y.
No y present 0. Like, for example, if I will write here 2x minus 3 is equals to 0. If I will compare with the linear equation in two variables, it will become like this. Ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. This is the linear equation in two variable. So you can see that a is equals to 2. Now there is no y. So it means that b is equals to 0 and c is equals to minus 3. Every time the single number is considered as c, constant. Okay. So it means that in this question, a is equals to 2, b is equals to 0, and c is equals to minus 3. This is the answer. Okay. I'll give you one more question. Solve this. Abigail, will you join today's science class? No?
Sir, I'm very
Yeah.
sorry. I did not ask my mother, so I will immediately ask my mother and
Okay, okay.
sorry, sir. I feel
It's
like
okay, it's okay.
my mind.
Okay, okay.
Got the answer. Sent.
Hmm. I got Edric, Joshua also. Joshua, no X, no Y will come. Only the coefficient. Like 7 will come, like 3 will come, okay? And it's not 3, it's minus 3. Edric, minus 3 will be there.
I wrote minus 3 only.
So you wrote? Oh, I didn't see that. Okay. TS 5. Okay. How you got, okay, Joshua, I told you like this equation should be equals to 0. Okay. So if it means that you have to send like this 7x minus 3y minus 4 and this minus 9 to go to the right hand side become plus 9 is equals to 0. So it becomes 7x minus 3y plus 5 is equals to 0. And now if you will compare with ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. So you will get that a is equals to 7, b is equals to minus 3, c is equals to 5, like this. A is equals to
So
7. Yes?
if we make it for 0,
Yes, it should be equals to 0. So whatever the number is there, you have to send to the left hand side, like that. This is the answer. Everyone got it? Dishron? No? Dishron, you got it? Ira?
Uh, yes, I got it. Sir, the chat is not working, so I can't type anything.
Okay. Simeon, any problem in this? No? Okay. So now we'll do one thing. We'll stop here only. Okay, you guys have 4 minutes break, then we'll start our science class. Till then, bye, Simeon. We'll meet tomorrow. Go drink water, go for a fresh air, and then come back.
Sir, no homework today?
Oh, no homework. Okay, no homework. Go. I'll send the worksheet in the group.
Thank you very much. Oh, wait. Bye. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Thank you. Bye.
Work.
Okay. Go drink water and come back in 4 minutes. Come back. Okay, guys, come back. Come back quickly. So where were we? Okay. So what we were doing? Yeah, around 22. So yesterday we learned about autotrophic and autotrophic or heterotrophic nutrition. Okay. So now today we will learn about photosynthesis. So it's very new topic to all. Okay, photosynthesis. So I want to ask from Joshua. Joshua, what do you mean by photosynthesis? Joshua, are you there? Yeah.
So photosynthesis is
Just give me a second.
plants receive sunlight and turn it into food.
Say that with photosynthesis means photo means light, synthesis means making food. So with the help of light, if plants are able to make their food, is called as photosynthesis. Okay. So photosynthesis, if I will give you more example about photosynthesis, so I'll give you one situation on it. Joshua, what will happen if there is only dark on the earth? What will happen? What will happen?
For plants or for us.
For everyone, like if there is only dark, there is no light, there is no sun, then what will happen?
The from sunlight.
Your network is bit.
So
Okay. Yes.
can you hear me? We won't be able to eat plants again, like vegetables. We won't be able to eat, and we'll
Even the,
have vitamin deficiency.
yeah, the plants couldn't survive. Okay. Even we can't survive. Not even only the plant, but we will not able to survive. Why, Edric? Why will not able to survive? You're mute. You're mute. You're mute. You're mute.
Sir,
Yeah. Yeah.
sir, because there will be no plants, that means no food for humans also.
Yeah. Even no food. But I'm asking if, like, for example, human can live without food for 2 days. But I'm saying if the plant will not survive, then we will not survive for a minute also. Why?
Because there won't be oxygen.
Yes, there won't be any oxygen. If plant is not there, there is a byproduct of photosynthesis is oxygen, which is a waste product for the plant, but it is useful for us. Understood? Plant releases oxygen from them. It's a waste product for the plant. It's no useful for the plants. This is a waste product for the plant, but we receive that oxygen. We live and we release this carbon dioxide, which is waste product for us, but it's a necessary for the plant. So we can understand that plant and animal both are interrelated to each other. Interrelated means they can't survive without them. Understood? No. Did you understand? Are you able to understand?
Yes.
Interrelated means they are not able to survive without each other. If you will remove animals from the planet, the plant wouldn't survive. Why? Why, Jehovan? Why the if you will remove animals from the planet and the plant will not survive? Why? Jehovan, can you hear me?
Because plants rely on the animals for carbon dioxide.
Yes, they are rely on the animals for carbon dioxide, and carbon dioxide is necessary for them to make the glucose, to make the food for them. Even the sunlight is there, water is there, but they are not able to survive because carbon dioxide is missing. So every aspect, the plants and animals both are interrelated to each other. That makes an ecosystem. Did you understand what I'm trying to say? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So you can see this, turn on your camera, Jason, please. So you can see that here photosynthesis has equation. This equation is very, very important. Everyone mark it in your copy. It's very important. They can ask you in the form of fill in the blanks. How? Like here you can see 6CO2. I'll zoom it. Here they are asking 6CO2 plus 12H2O, like this they are given. So what they can ask? They can ask dash CO2 plus 12H2O gives us dash plus dash H2O plus dash O2. So it means that the numbers are also important. This is called as uh,
Balanced equation.
yeah. This is called as balance equation. So for balancing, you have to learn all these things. Understood, guys? No. Okay, so this is very important, guys. Jehovan, are you with me? No? Okay. So now chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is basically its type of green pigment. Okay. Green pigment that is useful for the plant. Okay. Do you know we have red color blood, Ira? Why there is a red color blood?
Because of the blood cells, red blood cells.
Why the red blood cells are red in color? Why they are not yellow? Why they are not purple, green?
I know it.
Yeah. Let everyone ask. Then I will ask Patrick.
Okay, I don't know. Sir.
No. Okay, Joshua. Why the red blood cells are red in color?
Is it because of oxygen? I don't know.
Yeah. No idea.
Edwin?
Okay.
Huh?
Yeah, Edric.
Okay, because there's a pigment called hemoglobin, which is red.
Yes. The red color of the red blood cells is because of pigment called as hemoglobin, which is also written as HB. Okay, so sometimes the anemic people are those people who are very tired. Okay, so basically, what I'm trying to say, the anemic people are they are they have less hemoglobin in them.
Sir?
Yes.
Sir, anemia.
Anemia. Yes. Yeah, so they have less hemoglobin, and because of less hemoglobin, their blood is not dark red. It will be become light red, and the oxygen is not able to make bond with them. So we'll learn this thing in the circulatory system. But what I'm trying to say, the pigment of red color is because of hemoglobin in our body, blood cells. In the same way, in the plants, if you will see the green color of the plant, okay, that is also called as chlorophyll. Okay, understood, guys? Yes or no? Chlorophyll are of three types: chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, and chlorophyll C. Okay, now chlorophyll A is basically called as the green pigment, the main chlorophyll part. Okay, so every plant has chlorophyll. So, do you observe that mama bring green chili from the market, but after sometimes it becomes yellow or red? Yes? Did you observe this thing? Observe this thing, okay? Like, do one thing. Take one chili, put it in some container, not container type. You can put it in fridge. Don't use that green chili. After some time, that green chili will turn into red. Why? Because chlorophyll A, which gives green color, is degrading, and chlorophyll B and C, which give color to the fruit, it's increasing, and that's why the green color decreases, but the red color increases like that. That is called as red chili. We have to dry the green chili so that it become red chili. Understood?
Yes.
So this is what is because of chlorophyll B and chlorophyll C. So chlorophyll is basically to carry out photosynthesis, plants requires raw material, carbon dioxide, water, light, and chlorophyll. Why? Because chlorophyll absorbs the light energy. I'm saying it. For example, this is a green leaf and this is a yellow leaf. So, did you observe in the time of autumn, only yellow leaf will fall, not green leaf will fall. Mostly, yellow leaf will fall. Why? Because yellow leaf is not able to make photosynthesis. It's a waste for the plant. That's why it falls. Understood? Yes or no? What I'm trying to say, did you understand, guys? Yellow leaf is no use for the plant. It's a waste product, and it is removal of the waste product called as excretion for the plant. Green leaf makes photosynthesis. Green leaves have chlorophyll, which absorbs the light energy, sunlight energy, and convert it into glucose. Did you understand, guys? Yes or no? Okay, the green color of a plant is due to the chlorophyll, and chlorophyll is in the chloroplast. It can trap light energy. Yeah. So, yeah, can you read this, Ira, from here?
Carbon dioxide and water. Carbon dioxide and water are combined in the chloroplast with the help of a number of enzymes to yield sugar, which is converted into starch. Oxygen formed during photosynthesis diffuses out into the atmosphere through the stomata.
Yeah. So, stomata. Now, what do you mean by stomata? Stomata is basically the nostril of the plant. Okay, like we have nostril, we can take carbon dioxide and we can we can take oxygen and we can release carbon dioxide. This is our nostril work. In the same way, there is a small pores are there on the leaf, which are called as stomata. Okay, stomata, they are the nostril of the plant. From this, the carbon dioxide intake and the oxygen will be released from the stomata only. Understood? Yes or no? Yeah. Now remember one thing. This photosynthesis occur in the light only. It means that when there's a daytime, plant releases this oxygen. This is the final. But in the night time, it got ulta, opposite. How? Plant take oxygen to be live. Understood? No. This is called as a process of respiration. In the night time, what they are doing, they are taking oxygen so that the food that they prepare, they can break down that food and they can live for the night time. That is why it is said, do not sleep under the tree in the night time. Because many plants, not all plants, I'm saying, many plants release this carbon dioxide, which makes a deficiency of oxygen when you will sleep under the tree. Understood? No.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is called as photosynthesis. Okay, now we will read this in this thing. Yeah, please read it.
Me, sir?
Yeah.
The mechanism of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis occurs in two steps. One, the light reaction, and two, the dark reaction. In the light reaction, light is captured by chloroplast. The reaction occurs in the chloroplast. In the dark reaction, glucose is formed. Dark reaction occurs in chloroplast. The dark reaction and light reaction occurs simultaneously.
Simultaneously. So yeah. So everything that light reaction captures the light, which is a part of the chlorophyll, which traps the light, and the dark reaction convert that light energy, use the light energy to convert into the chemical energy and to make the glucose or the starch. Understood? Yes. Now this is one of the important question for the 5 marks. For the 5 marks, it is very important question. What happens to the end product of the photosynthesis? Yes, read this, Pitya.
Me,
Hmm.
as seen in figure 22.1, glucose is formed in photosynthesis. It is either used up by the cells or is converted and stored in the form of starch. The other end product, oxygen, is released into the atmosphere. Energy is released during photosynthesis.
Just give me a second. Yeah, read it.
Photosynthesis is responsible for providing food to all living beings. Carbon dioxide produced during respiration by all living beings is used up during photosynthesis and does not accumulate in the atmosphere. Oxygen released during photosynthesis is not used for respiration by living beings.
Yeah. So this is also an important question. What are the significance of photosynthesis? Like how important is photosynthesis is? So first is if for no photosynthesis, no animals are there, no plants are there. The earth will destroy. Okay, why the moon doesn't have any plant? Why the doesn't have any plant? Because they are not their situation is not favorable for that. Okay, so photosynthesis makes the food for the plant or makes food for the animals. We are also directly or indirectly dependent on the photosynthesis. Yes? Uh, Photosynthesis reduces the carbon dioxide also. Carbon dioxide is used by the plants, na? That's why photosynthesis helps in the maintaining the balance of the carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Same, it releases the oxygen, which is useful for the human beings. Now, this is your homework. In text question 22.2 is your HW. I hope everyone is doing their homework honestly. Those who are showing thumb, I hope everyone is doing their homework honestly. Okay. So now nutrition in human being. So nutrition in human being, I told you nutrition is the need which is needed for the growth and development of the body. So now nutrition in humans is basically we can describe that for the growth and healthy development of the body, you need to eat food that provides all essential nutrients. Okay, having pizza every day, having burger every day, it's not helpful. Okay, Bettia? So you have to use all the nutrition. You have to eat green leafy vegetable like broccoli, like karela, everything. Do not have to put it aside. Okay, Bettia? So you have to eat all the green leafy vegetables like spinach, everything. Okay? Understood. So can you read this, Ira?
Nutritions are the chemical substances present in our food which nourish our body.
Yes, nutrition's needed. We need nutrition, and the it is said that like spinach, like we say loki, thorai, these all have great nutrition, and we have to eat it. Okay, Vidya, we have to eat it. Okay, we are not only relying on the pizza, burger, or chawal or roti. No, we have to eat green leafy vegetable. Okay, with yeah, so we have to eat all these things. Okay, now read this, Ira.
Nutrition are broadly divided in three groups: energy yielding nutritions, carbohydrates, and fats.
Carbohydrates. Okay,
Carbohydrates.
energy yielding means they provides energy. Okay, provide energy means you eat roti. Roti is made up of carbohydrates. So after eating roti, your body will be energized. Okay, I know that after eating lunch you feel sleepy, but that is the other thing. Okay, that is because of full of stomach. That is because of full of eating that. But what I'm trying to say, the energy yet that you are able to do work. Okay, it's because of carbohydrates and fats. Okay, like I have lot of energy because I have lot of fats. I mean, I'm just joking about that. Okay, like fat gives us uh, energy. Fat is also called as energy bank. Write it down in your copy. Fat is also called as energy bank. Energy bank. Energy bank means it gives us energy. Okay. Okay, now bodybuilding nutrients. So you might have heard that for gymming we need to drink a lot of protein shake, a lot of this. So basically, the protein gives body building, like it gives muscle development. It helps in the muscle building. Okay, so bodybuilding nutrients is basically only protein. Okay. Now, growth regulating nutrients like vitamins and minerals, they basically helps to fight against the diseases. Okay. If you have any disease, then the growth, development, disease fight nutrients we have to eat. Okay. So, yeah, please read this carbohydrates.
Lisa again.
Yeah.
Carbohydrates are the main source of energy in our diet. Carbohydrates may be in the form of sugar, starch, or cellulose.
Mm.
Dietary, should I read the down one?
Yeah.
Diet carbohydrates. Types of carbohydrates and source: sugar, fruits, milk, and sugarcane; starch, potato, wheat, rice, sweet potato; cellulose or
Hey.
salads, and raw vegetables.
Yeah, salads and raw vegetable is very important. Okay, you have to eat like salad and vegetables. Okay, Vaidya, so every time you have to eat the vegetables. Vegetables are very important for the life. Okay, so, Jahoan, you eat vegetable?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Vegetable is very important. Okay, Vaidya, so vegetable is very important. You have to eat vegetable. Okay, if you're not eating vegetable, then it might not give you growth and development. Ira, you eat vegetable? Huh?
Yeah, sir.
Yes, it's important. It's important to have vegetable. Okay.
Sir, do you eat vegetables?
Yes, a lot
Ah,
of. Okay.
yeah, I know you.
Okay, fats. Come on, fats. Yeah, Ira, please read this.
Keep the body warm, help in the transport of fat soluble vitamins. Some common sources of fats are edible oil, ghee, butter, meat, and nuts like groundnuts. One
Hmm.
gram, 1 gram of fat on oxidation given about 37 kilojoules, 9 kilocalorie of energy.
Yeah. So the fats, it only makes your body more fat. Okay, like body not able in shape. Okay. And if you eat ghee, oil, and butter, bread, all this have a lot of fat. Okay, but yeah, so don't try to eat this ghee oil which have lot of edible fats and which only makes your body out of shape. Okay, so yeah, protein. Read this, Ira.
Proteins. You must have often heard your mother saying, eat carrots and your eyesight will improve. This is because carrots contain proteins. You must have often heard your mother insisting on you having a glass of milk or a bowl of cooked pulses, dal, or an egg. All of these are rich in proteins. Growth of body tissues is the main function of proteins.
Yeah, proteins are important. Like the bodybuilder, they also eat protein. Why? Because protein gives the growth and development in their body. Understood? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Read this, Jahoan.
Vitamins. I often heard your mother saying, eat carrots and carrots contain vitamin A for vitamins. One certain vitamins. They are necessary for normal growth and maintaining a required incredibly small. Deficiency of vitamin causes overdose of certain vitamins, vitamin A and vitamin D are is harmful. Vitamins may be more fat soluble.
So basically, vitamins can be water soluble and the fat soluble. So what is water soluble? Water soluble vitamins are the soluble, which are the vitamins that can be soluble in water. So do you know vitamin B12, yeah, B complex? Do you heard this medicines called as B complex? Yes, that is vitamin medicine. B complex is fulfill the vitamin needs, and if you will able to dissolve that medicine in the water, it's called as water soluble. Okay, so you can see that vitamin B complex is like B1, B2, B4, B12. These all are water soluble. You can make it soluble in the water, and vitamin C also. Like, will you able to dissolve lemon juice in the water, Jahuan? Can you dissolve it? Jahuan, can you dissolve lemon in the water?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, lemon juice you can dissolve in water because lemon juice is made up of vitamin C, and vitamin C is water soluble. It is called as water soluble, and fat soluble are soluble which are only dissolved in fat, like oil. Like vitamin E is not soluble in like we are making soap, and in that soap we need vitamin E capsule, and we check that vitamin E capsule when you will break that capsule and you will make that fluid into the water, it won't, it's like a oil. Vitamin E is like a oil, so it's not soluble in the that water. You know fish oil, fish capsule, what is that called? That golden one, what is that called, Bitya? uh,
Cod liver.
yeah, cod liver. Yeah, that very bad. Well, test is very bad. What I'm trying to say that that is also a fat soluble. If you will eat, then your mouth is like that. Okay, so fat soluble vitamins is only dissolved in the fat like oil. Understood? Okay. So today we'll stop here only. I hope you enjoyed the class. Till then, bye. Have a nice day.